Hello everyone, this is Ishwar Dayal Mato, and in this today's video I'll be showing you how you can make a micrometer in CATIA V5 software. So without any further delay, let us get started. Just open your CATIA software, go to Start, Mechanical Design, select Part Body Workbench. Now click OK to it. Now select your front plane and go for a sketch here. Now we will try to draw a profile like this. Now once done, try to constrain this profile. So first of all, I will give all the vertical dimensions. So we need to delete this one because it taken horizontal dimension right now. So give first all vertical dimension, so it will be easy for us to constrain this profile. Now for this portion we can give angle. Now we will try to give the horizontal dimension for this profile. Then this dimension and similarly this one. After that we can give this dimension also. Again one more dimension we have to give, that will be from here to here. So as you can see, our profile is constrained now. Now we have to give the value for it. So go for constraint and select edit multi constraint option here. Yeah, pull it a little bit so at a time we can see all the dimension. So this dimension we will take 106.5. This dimension will be 10. This one would be 22. This one will be 45, I think. This one will be 29. This dimension would be 15.5. This one will be 11. This one will be 9.5 degree, and this height would be 5, and this dimension would be 4.5. This one would be 9. This one would be 8.5. Sorry, I have taken 8.5. This would be 7, and this will be 7.5, and this one will be 3.5. So once done, take a preview first. Now it's done, right? Now we will take one horizontal line till here, make it horizontal. As you can see, it is not a straight. Make it horizontal. Now we will try to make one arc here. So go to 3-point arc option. As you can see it, press shift key and try to give the arc value. Now as you can see, it is not constraint here, so we will try to give the radius value. Now cut the unnecessary portion. And give this dimension would be 106.5 plus 11. So this profile is constrained. So after constraint it looks like this one. So this is the profile just now we have created. Now again, to make the other portion of micrometer, we have to make a one more profile like this. Now give dimension to this profile. Now this dimension we will take 146. Okay, this one we would take 3, and this height we are going to take 3.25. Press Ctrl Z. We have modified other geometry dimension, so here is the dimension value for this part. So this dimension will be coming for this figure. Try to keep aside this one. So this dimension we would take 3.25. This one will be 3. Okay, this one would be I think 10, and this one will be 3.5. So you guys are wondering from where I have taken this all the dimension. So no need to worry about it. So drafting sheet I will be going to upload in my description box, so kindly go there and you will take the tip of that drafting sheet, and from there you can see the values and magnitude, and you can utilize while making this part. Let me show you if I have that drawing sheet or not. Yeah, so in my desktop you will get, this is the dimension sheet. Okay, what we calling as drafting sheet. So this link of this image I will be give in my description box, so kindly go there and download it. So almost we have made the profile. Now we will go for this option, shaft. Just click it and click your profile. Now in the selection toolbar we have to select the axis along which or around which this will go and make the material. So we will take Y axis because this will be our direction of rotation. So once done, now select this front plane again and go for a sketch here. Now in the second part we will try to make a profile like this. Now we will try to constrain this figure. So this height we will take 3.5, this width value we will take 8, and regarding this we will take 12.5. All the dimensions are given in the drafting sheet, so you can go there and see it. Now we will try to constrain these two. So let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, this figure is moving. So first try to constrain this line with this edge. Now we can work on it like this. Now define the radius value. This one we will take 16.5. Now drag a little bit. As you can see, we got the center part of this part, this arc. So go and make one axis. And constrain this with this line. As you can see, it is done. Now we will give the distance between these two center and the radius value. So once done, keep this value 5. This one will be 29. Now make this one and this one tangency. So as you can see, this figure is constrained. So after making this profile, again go for arc option, and using this center point make one arc like this. Again make an arc, using other center point. Now define the radius value to both. Now this radius would be 19.5 and this one would be 26. After that, go for corner option and select this to arc. So it will automatically close these two. Now take this radius value would be 3. This one would also be 3. Now once done, go to exit workbench. Now we'll go for pad option, and in the selection tab go for right click, go to profile definition and select this outer figure. Once done, define the pad value would be 3.5 and go for mirror extend, take a preview, click OK to it. Now in second time we will go for pocket option, and same way just right click to selection toolbar and go to profile definition, and this time we will select this elliptical or elongated portion, click OK to it. So in the definition we go for the last, and in the more just take -1. So as you can see, it cut the material and it left 1 mm material from outer side. That's why we have defined -1. Now selecting this pocket option, go for mirror. So here it is mirror, click yes and select your middle plane so that it will copy to the other side also. Once done, hide all the sketches, and even if you want, you can hide the plane also. Now go for fit on screen and isometric view. So this is how we can make micrometer in CATIA V5 software. So in the last we will go for rendering to it. So before rendering we have to apply material on this part. So in the material catalog we will go for steel and select the part body and click apply material. Now in your tree, just right click on the steel, go for properties, so here you can take the material, go for, I will take satin and I will increase the reflectability a little bit like this. And one thing I forget to give is chamfer here, so go for it 2 mm. And also we have to take a fillet in this part, go for 1.5, that would be more than sufficient. So now this is how it's look, our micrometer. So now go for rendering. So just click on camera, and by default I will keep this background only. Just click on the camera, so it will start rendering to it. So it might have take some moment to rendering it. So this is all about how we can make a micrometer in CATIA V5 software. If you really like this video, then please give thumbs up to it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.